Bullish Axie boundlessness cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $29.48 and $64.21 by 2030. Market investigators accept Axie could reach $29.48 by 2025. Bearish Axie endlessness market cost expectation for 2022 is $5.24. Axie boundlessness presentation. Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet local area that consolidates the best of blockchain innovation with conventional gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Notwithstanding, what makes Axie endlessness exceptional is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to claim their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie limitlessness? Axie endlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game highlights a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neurotransmitter Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in prevalence. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new happy and highlights an ordinary premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet reenactment game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie boundlessness. Axie vastness central investigation. The group behind Axie vastness is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for more than 2 years and has an enormous local area of dynamic clients. Axie vastness is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain, and is reliably one of the top dApps by day-to-day dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and numerous ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them truly alterable and much of the time unprecedented and special. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, uncommon, very intriguing, and unbelievable. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get predictable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie boundlessness shards. Axie boundlessness shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part. These are utilized to participate in critical administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Non-fungible token. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with remarkable characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight focuses, which are then applied to stepping up an Axie's details or advancing its substantial parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. Axie and SLP. Both Axie and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 tokens. The Axie limitlessness biological system utilizes 2 essential tokens, smooth love elixirs and Axie endlessness shards, as the local administration badge of the stage. Axie holders take part in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates. For instance, by deciding how the environment asset ought to be conveyed or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is gotten through gameplay and might be applied to the rearing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie limitlessness is planned to permit Axie partner cooperation and some stage advancement decisions. Axie vastness current cost. Axie vastness is at present worth $6.55 USD. Axie has moved 8.36% as of now with an exchanging volume of $82,011,163. Axie vastness is at present position 60 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $628,642,288 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Axie endlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Axie vastness value expectation 2022. Axie vastness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Axie cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $9.83. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $9.17 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $7.86. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Axie Boundlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $16.38. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Axie's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $13.10 and a typical exchanging cost of $14.41. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $22.93 and Axie might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $20.97 and a low of $19.66 in 2024. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Axie Boundlessness effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2025. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $29.48, with a base cost of $26.21 and a typical cost of $27.52. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $34.07 by 2026, with a base cost of $32.76 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $36.03. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $40.62. On the off chance that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $42.59. Neglecting to assemble the help Axie needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $39.31. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2028. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $45.86 and a yearly cost close above $49.14 in 2028. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Axie Limitlessness will